Alright guys, it is probably one of the last couple days of ice season. I don't want to talk too much because I've got fish biting and they're on the screen, so like, let's stop talking, let's get to fishing. We're going to be moving around quite a bit today because that's how what we do, okay? Alright, so I sniped this brush pile right here, and as you can see there's a load of fish on it. Little hint, we dropped down twice and we caught 2 crappies, so that's kind of what we're going after. It's a balmy 61 degrees right now, so as you can imagine the ice is probably not long for this world. We're just little tungsten jig. I'm gonna get slammed. I'm gonna get another crappie because it was an up bite, and we're not gonna keep too many today. This one feels nice, right in that 10-inch range. Hopefully these guys do not come over and say hi to me, because if they do, then I'm gonna be like, dude, the fishes are biting, go find a spot. Okay, he's going away. Nice. So the goal for today is to get 10 crappie. We're at 3 already, so I should probably be a little more selective, but it just feels good to be on a bite here. Obviously this hasn't been too pressured, and with the short ice season I don't think it will get too pressured, which I think that's pretty awesome in some ways, and other ways kind of sucks because I don't get to fish this lake very often. Let's shrink that down a little bit so you can see your jig. Oh, nice mark here. Yes, that's a better one for sure. Big head shakes, big crappie. Oh, right in that 11-inch range, perfect for eating. There's number 4, like I said, when I get to 10, so we're 40% there. That's a nice big crappie, that last one. Oop. Had one swing. There we are. Triple crab. Dump it, come on. There we go. That might be the one fish I catch today on video.